Hello my YouTube friends and family, how are you all? Hope all are good and fine.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some amazing modern wall art decoration ideas for your home. If you're tired of those plain, boring walls, then this video is for you. So let's dive right into it and get inspired to transform our living spaces into something truly unique and expressive. I hope you found these modern wall art decoration ideas inspiring and helpful. Remember, decorating your walls is a fantastic way to bring life and personality into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!